Sharma from Maths Departments of Chamanwatika Gurukul. I am here with the topic decimals. In the last video, we have learnt about addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals and one part of multiplication. So today we will start with multiplication of decimal by another decimal number. Multiplication of decimal by another decimal number. So let us understand this thing with the help of one example. Here we have to solve 3.62 multiplied by 1.38. So like whole numbers, first of all multiply them simply. Means multiply 362 with 138. Now 8 into 2, 16, 6, 1 carry. 8 6 are 48 and 1, 49, 9, 4 carry. 8 3s are 24 and 4, 28. In next 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 6, 18 and 1 carry. 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. 1 2s are 2, 6 are 6 and 3s are 3. Now add them simply. 6, 9, 6, 15, 5, 1 carry. 9, 8, 17, 17 and 2, 19, 9, 1 carry. 3 and 6, 9 and here 3 plus 1, 4. Now where to put the decimal here? Check. How many digits we have here? 2 digits after decimal here and 2 digits in this decimal number. Means in total we are having 4 digits after decimal point. So here also we want 4 digits. Count from the back. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So put the decimal here. So your answer will be 4.9956. Again I am telling you, check the digits. 2 digits we are having here after decimal point. 2 digits this side. Total we have 4 digits. So count the digits from the back. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and put the decimal here. 4.9956 will be your answer. Now let us see division of decimals by 10, 100 and 1000. So whenever we will divide decimal number with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or this kind of numbers, decimal will shift left hand side. Now how many places it will shift? It depends upon number of the zeros in the divisor. Let us see this thing with the help of example. For example, in first part, divide 7.689 by 10. Now 7.689 by 10. So how many zeros we have in the divisor? 1. So decimal will shift one place left hand side. So one place left hand side means from here to here. So it will become 0.7689. Earlier decimal we are having after 7. Now because we are dividing it by 10, so decimal will shift itself to one place left hand side and it will become 0.7689. So this side we will add 0, so it will become 0.7689. Let us see one more example. In this you have to divide 3432.37 and you have to divide it by 100. Now check how many zeros we are having in divisor. There are 2 zeros, so decimal will shift 2 places left hand side. So when you will shift in 2 places left hand side, it will come here. So your answer will be 334.323 37 after dividing it by 100. After division of decimal by 10, 100, 1000, let us see division of decimal by a whole number or decimal fraction. For that, I am taking one example. Divide 23.94 by 6.3. So, in first step, we will check how many digits are present in divisor after decimal. So, here we are having one digit only. So, write it in this form: 23.94 divided by 6.3. As I told you, we will check how many digits are present in divisor after decimal. So there is only one digit. One digit means you will multiply dividend as well as divisor with 10. Why 10? Because there is one digit present after decimal in divisor. If there are two digits, then we will multiply by 100. So when you will multiply it, you will get 239.4, and in denominator we will get 63, that is a whole number. Means simply we can say we have to try to make divisor a whole number. Now it is a whole number, so simply you can divide. We have to divide 239.4 by 63. Now check it. 623. So on 3 we will check. When you will multiply 63 with 3, you will get 189. Fine. 990. 13, 5 and 1, 0. Means it is left with 50. So decimal here, we will write in quotient also decimal. We will take 4. So now we have to check for 504, 504. So 63 on 8. 63 multiplied by 8. You will get 504 only. So your answer is 3.8. Let us see whole thing again. First step, check how many digits are present in divisor. There is one digit, so multiply dividend as well as divisor by 10. Why 10? Because there is one digit. If there are two digits, multiply by 100 and same way. So after multiplication you will get 239.4, and here in denominator or divisor you will get the whole number. Then simply divide, where decimal, put that decimal in quotient also, and same way we have to solve the division. At the end you will get the result 3.8. Let us see one more example based on division of decimal by a whole number or a decimal fraction. So here I am having 0.00832. 0.00832, and we have to divide it by 0.208. So recall the first step. In first step we have to check how many digits are present in divisor after decimal. So here we are having 3 digits. So we have to multiply dividend as well as divisor with 1000. Why 1000? Because there are 3 digits after decimal in divisor. So when you will multiply it by 1000, you will get decimal will shift 3 places. Right hand side, because we are multiplying, so it will become 8.32. 1, 2, 3. 3 places right hand side. So here it will become 208. Fine. So now simply divide it. 8.32 divided by 208. Now check. First we are having 8 here, and 8 is not divisible by 208. So 0. So see, 8 is not divisible by 208. So 0. Then decimal, it will become 83 now. 83 is also not divisible by 208. So one more 0. Now it is 832. On the table of 208, or you can check 2 and 8. So we will check it on 4. So 208 multiply by 4. When you will multiply, you will get 832. So your answer is 0.04. So let us see one more problem based on division. So question says the weight of 25 bags. The weight of 25 bags of rice is 437.5 kg. And you have to find the weight of one bag. Unitary method. And this thing already I told you, when you have to find out value for 1. When value for number is given and you have to find for value of 1, then you have to divide. So write down the statement first. What is given to you? Weight of 25 bags, that is 437.5 kg, and you have to find out weight of one bag. So divide it by 25. So divide 437.5 divided by 25. So 25 ones are 25. 13 you will take carry. 8, 3, 1. So from here you will take 7. So further 7 is 1, 7, 5, 2 and 1, 5. So decimal, put decimal here also. 125, 25, 5 is 125. So answer is 17.5. So we can say weight of one bag of rice is 17.5 kg.